Guys, mita mchiti kavara ndakuvata asandavata ndabva kubasa asandarara. Moita mchiti kavara guys. Moita mchiti kavara naika asandarara. Ndikwanisa kupedza life ndinorara kuti ndine ma life 2 panapa. Saka ndokumbira kuti tishandidzane pamwe chete. Hi Beverly, hi Gamu, hi Tsiye. Ngatite tishandidzane pamwe chete kuti ndikurumidze kupedza zvandikupedza zvandikuda kuita ndikwanise kunovatawo. Handitika manheru ndakainvite wakabills ndikaendinde kukumiye mundisapoti guys. Ndambovata zvakadaida kuzomuka ndobika kundaina chikufonera izvozvo apa was calling you kuti ndichitivhura live kuTikTok ungochidropa. Ndakufonera right now. I called you ndida kutivhura live kuTikTok ndakuenda live paFacebook. Hi Sisi Elders, long time, how are you? Hi Josie, when you say guys ndokumbura mushare live ndinokumbura mushare live tikurumidze kufamba nenyaya. Tine imwe yakati ichatirebei after ish, tine imwe ichatirebei after iyoyi. So ndokumbira kuti tifambe nenguva guys, tifambe nenguva timanye. Ndokumbira tifambe nenguva, ndiri kukumbira kuti tifambe netime. Hi Dre Rasta, how are you? Mazano wachandi mai vako auchandicheki mwanangu, kwakanaka here. Share life. Alright, let's do it fast guys, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it fast guys, let's do it. Yeah, I see ya. Right. Right. Uyai guys, uyai tuone kuti tafamba sei guys. Uyai tuone tafamba sei, tuone kufamba nenyaya. Uyai tuone tafamba nenyaya, uyai tuone tafamba nenyaya. Right. Hi Terry Spears, how are you? I'm okay. And I've been busy with you. Oh, by the way, Garashia, how is it, baby girl? How is it? Do you need a lunch here? You go do it. Tine lunch ku Scotland, mwanangu. Tile mwana wangu ka first pay. Sisi first pay. Futi atuwe second. Ti bless. Tuda ku bless. Right. Famba guys, famba anzi matonga sandarara. Mufunge maibi. Asana tomborara. And sandarara. Because ndatombo uya ndakaenda ku ndauya ndikabuka kwenda kwa GP. Ndikaenda kwa GP. Ndichida kunoona GP ne rangu rere. Saka ndapuwa mapiritsi. Ndapiwa mapiritsi kwa GP. Ndapiwa mapiritsi. Saka ni rangu rere ndanenda kwa GP uko. Saka kwa ndide kumafisio futi. So guys, ande tuone guys, atfamba sandatomborara. Sandatomborara. Sandarara because anoza kuti ukabuka po na 8 papai vanokupatira. Saka vaditi 10:30. Saka 10:30. Hanzi David Gumbi, oh sure ere achauya anoyawo ku YouTube asi. Saka pavanditi 10:30 ndatogara ndakamirira kuti 10 zikwa ndozati niri kubva paya namubva ndakarindira kuchipatara. I've never went to the hospital ndokuda kweniri. Asana mborindira kuchipatara. Asana mborindira kuchipatara. Asana mborindira kuchipatara. Ndamborindira kuchipatara. Sana tutanga kutorindira iko zvino. Anoona, ndatorindira iko zvino. Fambai guys, tegai guys, tegai tifambe, tegai guys. Hanza mtatorari. Ndofa wazorara because mchasoda kumuka manheru. Ndo ndikarara kana 3 hours po. Undifungidze mangwana mwanangu. Ndichazoda kumuka manheru. Ndomika. Ndo iko nditsara sanga mbuso sawa 59. Ndakakwana ne. Tegai vamwe guys, tegai vamwe mushare life. Biki kuyo ba. Boroso is better. Right. Right, 120 guys, apa to 20, famba 20 guys. Haita vinga guwa. 120 guys. Anzida kude. Sure ere kuda. Eish. Shakaoma. All right. 120 guys, famba mushare life guys, mtege tifambe vanhu vatenge kutojaira kuno page. Tegai vamwe vatenge kutojaira kuno page. Tegai vamwe vatenge kutojaira kuno page. Tegai toni.
Koma ndivhure live ndikavhura ndakungona ndadonhedzwa pari yadonhedzwa.
Okay, ndofunga ndandamisira message. Ndofunga ngasina kutoona kuti watoipa live. Angasina kuona kuti watoipa live. Ndandamisira message utafora. It's okay. All right. 120 guys. 252 120 guys. Tishuke pa 350. Hi Marilyn, how are you? Guys, get it fast. So, as you know, guys, our platform is bigger now. It's a broad platform. And kuno iwane vanhu vemarudzi vese vese. Andika how they come to me, I don't know. But izo zvari kutanga kuya panapa guys ga. Munhu auya necomplain yake muSouth African. Auya anditsvaga ini handimuzivi mwana uyu. Anditsvaga akauya necomplain yake yemunhu ari kurwa naye muZimba. Muri kuwisisa. Saka muSouth African ndiri kumuudza pamhepo, otaura nyaya yake, toudza muZimba, handisika topedza nyaya ishi. Handiziviwo guys, musikana uyu ari kugunun'una stereki muSouth African uyu ari kugunun'una zvokudaro. Imimi ndimi munoti panhu panotukana papaya vanokandira matombo handiti ndo zvamunotaura. Regai tinzwe kuti musikana ari kuti chii. Ndine machatsa andipa handisika akawanda ekuti chero pandaverengawo nyangwe ndetakakubatikana ndabatikana zvangu kutaura chokwadi. Asi zvisinei, there is two sides of the story handiti. There's two sides to every story. Anomunosiva. So, platform ombe. Thank you, Roshi. Thank you, Roshi. It says, endeka, hey, kudawacha kando masters. Nasivano mbokande. Wanabwe kuzodanya ya hamambokandi. Hamambofungiti ya hari gatikandi remaisha kila masters. Manyanzo kugarra ku Facebook. Kupi, kwa. Niku utitoke zuma gifts awa nukando. Manukanda hidi. Awakanda. Niku gifts zuma hidi data awa nukudikwe baba. Saka guys, at 520, 319, 120 guys, 120. And subscribe to VK. Keep guessing. Keep guessing, guys. Keep guessing. Keep guessing. Keep guessing. Madzimainduku. Madzimainduku dimato sarani mikuno ku zvezeno ku TikTok. Vazhinji vakungotambira kuko kuno kwachamatiki. So, sinoititi kwese zvedu. Saka tongofada yakose. Vamwe vakatotuta zvokutoenda kuhaiwa isu hatidaro tiri kozvenu kuno kuti chingofada yakwese. Hanzi, this platform is for everyone and it's now big, yes. Hati tifambe nenyaya guys, tipa 320 tatisvikasvika pa 350 totonga kusimudzira mwana zotiwanira ipapo. Saka tipa 325 tisagwana 25 people tisvike pa 350. Handika tatipa 327 328 tisvike pa 350. And then tivetanzwa hanzi tiri chemberedze kuno aiwa pakanaka hapana chakaipa ose machena hapana zina mhodzi. I don't want stars, you prefer shumbane marosi. Kunge wakambondipa magi, kunge wakambondipa masters acho, kunge wakambondipa tipeka masters acho. Nai guys, kandaika masters acho. Kunge makambondipa masters acho, tipeka masters. Nai wedu chwa ndikaenda kutamba kuni magifti ipo pane master pano. Panoti mungoda masters ndikarire pano. But anyway, ndinenge chitamba kwese. So guys, tapa chi 344 takutosvika. Hai ndombe unjani? Mina ngeraiti. Tipa 345, 349. Tinenge tatozopinda pa 358, 352. Saka vamwe tibatira kumberi. Right guys, imi ndimi munoti justify. Handiti regai tinzwe panyaya iyi kuti how far are you going to justify zvamuno justify? Hatidaro nemadouble standard guys. We don't want madouble standard. South African mwana anditsvaga kuti apiwa audzwa nemwe munhu kana kuti I don't know. Hanimwana yatove ku 363. I don't know. But andibata akachitotira kufona but ndandiri madokta macho imomo vangu vachimbotasa iro vhira cho vachimbotasa thank you netsai saka ese padoko saka ndandisa kwazodaira foni yake kuzosvika ndasvika ndikamti hai ndobva azofona back. So let's invite here tinzwa kuti nyaya iyi yakamira sei. Okay, send us. Hi Sandy, hi Toy Josephine, how are you? When na village relative na tetepa 388. Kada iri kana yi. Let me see message. Ndubvotara naye izvozvi so. Izvozvi ndubvotara naye. Saka yakuita wantikise. Ndichitomuti ndakupinda palife. Because akwanisa kuudza the other party. Iye asati afa kutaura nyaya yake. Iye. Right, ndijana ane ningikiri guys. Anokwanisa kuuya ndipe masadza ako rinonoka. Tutenda auya. Ndipe namba yakufonera musikana kuti iwe wamirigwa kakotozvisiya aikazve. Otherwise muzimba katogona kumupedzera shungu dzezenophobia masuro aikazve. Ndiananga yakuseru guys amufonere direct ko amudze kuti wamirigwa panapa. Kwandiri ni 417 422. Ndiananga yakuseru ko ndipe namba. Haisi nyaya yemari, haisi nyaya yemari. Mari, haisi nyaya yemari. Ndiananga uya guys kuseruko. Ndiananga uya kuseri ndimupe namba. Fast. Amufonere direct because ndibvotara naizvo. Amuna ndatara naizvo zvina last audio yasenda 13 past 12. Kuzvine 22 past. Alright, pana uya ndimpe namba. Oh, Caravani, I said to him, said to him, a screenshot you gotta share. Right, yes, ndakusendera namba. Yes, ndakusendera namba. Chikurumidza kubata basa toni. Yes, ndakusendera namba. Chikurumidza kubata basa toni. Hi Alice. Right, ndasendera hezi rigaya abate toni arikufona. Ndizvo kunonoka kaya because tichida kufamba. Because opponent yacho yatoti sina kuisira message ikatodaira. Azimamona arikufona pari munhu arikufona. Saka network yake iko zvino yaita double tick. Saka network yake sikana. Okay, utogwana ina yesi. Saka ya aiwa sisi tichasvika sibrit tichangobva kupeji rimwe riyari yangu saka vanhu vasati vajaira kuti adzoka kunondokwa kwemalife saka vachiri kumbojaira vachasvika zvavo vachasvika because tichangotanga kuita futi malife kunoku vajaira kuya kuya uku saka tichasvika zvedu todiwari we'll get there. aisitosvika zvenyu. Hello?
Hello, Sis Mary.
I was trying
Sis Mary.
to find out what happened. You just vanished like that. Okay.
No, I just got a call from someone. She said you said I should join in live, but I don't know where.
Yeah, I did give somebody your number to call you direct because I was trying your WhatsApp. It was you are offline. So, but it's fine.
No,
it's fine.
I was trying to. Okay.
It's fine. I'm now on live. So everybody, people are listening. To you. So can you please narrate? Tell us exactly what happened, how the story started, what transpired, so that we know when to start. Because the number that you gave me, I already contacted the girl.
Should I tell you now? Should I tell you now?
Yes, now you are live.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Hi everyone. I hope you guys are good. My name is Lizzie. I'm from here in South Africa. I'm staying in Silverton. I'm 27 years old. The story that happened is that I don't know Nelita that much. Me and her, we have never been in the same place. She just know me, I know her. Sharp. It happened that Nelita, it was someone that I was talking to on WhatsApp. Then she'll be commenting on my status. That's all. Then it happened that she dated one of the guy called Usia. I still have the screenshot and everything. She was dating the guy called Usia. Sia used to be my boyfriend, but now we're friends since 2024. Since 2024, we just left everything like that, but we're still friends. So, Onelita was dating Usia. When there was a time I posted Usia, I never thought Unelisa would have a problem because me and Nelita were not friends. I'm friend with Usia. Then after that, she insulted me, calling me names that I'm selling pussy. I'll send you the screenshot, guys, everything that I'm selling pussy for me to survive me and Guba. I'm a whore. I'm suffering. I'm staying in a flat where I'm sharing. As for her, she's staying in a bachelor. She's rich. She's driving. Me, I'll die poor without driving a car and all the stuff. Well, I was continuing telling God, say, thank you. God will bless me, but you must stop looking down on people because once you look down on people, God will take everything. She's keep insulting me. I still have the screenshot. Then she took my picture, she posted me. Everyone, they were like, Nelisa post you block because I block her after. I'm like, what did she say? She posted me on typing on Shwishona, but everyone they translate for me what she was saying. She was saying that I sell my body, this bitch and this. Me, I'm driving a car and all the stuff. Sharp, cool. Then after that, Nelisa, she will come when everything is fine. She will act like, why are you fighting me and all the stuff. I'm like, girl, I'm not fighting. You need to grow up. When people that are fighting with you, stop fighting people or insulting people, how people, they are poor and all the stuff. In this life, we're not the same. And you guys were supposed to take me as your sisters because you guys, I'm having a child. Do you understand? And people here where I'm staying with Zimbabweans. Zimbabweans, I take them as my sisters. They know even here at the flat, they love Cooper as much as they love me as well.
So you got a child with a Zimbabwean guy?
Yes, that's why I'm reporting this. If I was not having a child with my Zimbabweans, I was not going to report it. But I'm reporting because I feel like I'm part of you guys.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. The reason why I'm reporting, I feel like I'm part of you guys because Okuba is also your child as well.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
And I don't know if everyone is hearing me. When you are fighting with someone, it's not allowed to involve the child because the child is innocent. He's a baby. Because once he sees those kind of comments when you grow up, it's called bully. He won't be free. Do you understand? Yeah. He will see those kind of things. Why am I being called albino? My child is living with albinism.
Your child is albinism. Albinism.
Yes, he's living with albinism. Sis Melly. He's a human being. I don't know if you understand.
Yes, I do.
When you call someone who's having albinism, you don't say albino.
Yeah.
Albino it's bad name. He's living with albinism. It's only skin. He's eating everything that other kids is eating. It's only the skin and the eyes.
True.
Do you understand? So when my child is going with those kind of ways, she will ask herself himself at school, why I'm being called albino?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Why am I being called albino? Why am I not like others? That's why most of people living with albinism, they get bullied at school. You understand? Because of the names that they are being called. My child is 5 years, but Ololita has the guts to call my child that is a curse. Where does my child get into this thing? Why can't she face me? Yet it's fine. She's been insulting me. I don't have a problem with that. I never reported because it's between me and between her. The reason why I'm reporting is because it's getting too much to a point where it's getting involved the kid.
Oh.
Why? Why would you call a human being? I don't even know if you have a child, but are the kids safe around Onelita? If you call other kids a curse?
No, that's not right.
What
that's
if
not
there's
correct.
a child there whose disability is living with disability?
Not right.
But when Nelita is around, they will feel scared because Nelita will harass them, will insult them that they are having disability.
Ah, shame. Sorry, baby girl. That's nasty.
How
Anyway,
can
that's gross.
a human being
That's
called
gross.
my child a curse?
Yes, no, that's not it. That's not it.
How can God bring a human being in the world knowing that he's a curse?
Sorry, baby girl. Sorry.
And she told me that I won't do anything. I told her that, you know what, I'm not going to let these things slide. Because before I opened the case against her, she saw the first time. But it was not too much. She ran away, she went to sleep. Now she's telling me that I won't do anything. I was like, you know what? People are not like you. I will report this, even if they don't take my side or what. But as long as I report this, I will heal by reporting this.
Yeah.
There are people who are human beings, who have kids, who will understand the feeling that I'm feeling now. I cannot carry a child 9 months and allow all people who are supposed to teach us the way and bully my child and say my child is a cat. My child is also a Zimbabwean. I need him when he goes to his father's land. He must also feel free, not to be in the country where he's being abusive.
So, guys, we are nasty. Do you see how nasty we are? Do you see how nasty we are? To those who always say, guys, when people are insulting each other, we throw stones. Is it okay? This is somebody from another country who is protecting a child. She's only 27, trying to protect a child.
And now my sister, and when I report to my baby to talk to my baby daddy, she insulted. I sent her the voice note where she said that my baby daddy doesn't have balls. My baby daddy is the biggest influencer in Zim. To understand, but he was like, let me just talk to this person before I can take it so far. She doesn't know the consequences he's facing.
Yeah, no, I understand. I understand you. I understand, guys. You see, nyadza kutuka vanaidzi mazviona kuti nekupi guys munenge muchizvita makapenga muchitukana vana vevanhu handi mazviona kana muri kuzviona ka ndeumwe kune toriwo nemwe nyika hatoziva kuti toriwo nemaproblems ekuno tinotokomblena nyaya dzokuti vana they are off limit. Handi muri kuona. So this is so sad, guys. This is so sad. Anyway, vanga vachipindurana ipapa panditika pakupindurana. I've got my screenshots whereby this Nelita was saying a lot. Achama mwanako kesi achitumira mapicha emwana wacho. Actually, it was not nice, honestly. It was not nice. And ndikunyepa inina natozogona kupedza kuverenga kiri mamwe machats achona because she was very nasty. This is a very beautiful child. You can see here a very beautiful child.
I haven't had to go to my sister.
A very handsome child, guys.
I haven't had to call my sister. I was like, sister, can I ask you something? She was like, yes. I was like, sister, is my baby a curse? She even asked me why am I saying that. I didn't ask her.
That's why people can't settle with you because of your albino child. And we had, did you call my child albino? She can say, yes, I'm actually telling you the truth whether you like it or not. Masbaba maskana. Moyo chacha this is yangu. You know that what's wrong with an albino child? Is he not a human being? She goes, that's why his father left you. It's because of that. At least he tried to be a good girl at once. Nova, I saw audio and mother. Hi. I wonder, pese panotukwa vana papaya. You guys ga tichisekerera uchirevera maoko tichitaura kuti ramba wakadzvanya pachitukwa mwana, an innocent child asina chaanoziva. Muri kuona kuti zvinobva nesanhu vakuru. We are the ones who are teaching these kids. But vachitoona chibvarira vana vevanhu mazera madika aya, mazera madika rurwa kaya, mazera madika aya anouya opindawo nezvo zvavanonzwa zvavanoona isanhu vakuru tichitaura guys. Tikometse chendokumbirawo zvimwe zvinhu kana munhu akataka kutukana nevana vevanhu kana nevabereki vevanhu ngatirambe guys. You've got the power guys to stop munhu anenge achituka vana vevanhu kana vabereki vevanhu. This is heartbreaking guys. She's just 27. She's trying to protect mwana wake. Mwana is a blessing from God. And somebody else comes and says, mwana wako ikesi. That's so wrong, guys. That's so wrong. Because zvataura kuti vana vanokura vanozviona. Hanimaona akura. And then mwana start asking questions. Ezvinhu zvanenge akaona painternet. This is so not right. Right? Did you block each other with Nelly, this Nelly thing?
I'm the one who blocked.
Can you please unblock her?
Too much.
Can you please unblock her, please? Let me drop you, unblock her, let me call it. Alright. This is not it, guys. Alright, Nelly, I want to tell Marcos it's okay. We can talk with Papa. Nelly, urutara nero SIS MELLY. SIS MELLY ndo wakutara navo, mwanangu. Ndo wakutara navo, I don't know kuti unondisauda undisive, I don't know. But mwanangu, paita munhu watukira mwana panapa. Ari kuchena. Ndiziva ndapuwa machatse kuti aungoshitaura kuti mwana ikesi and stuff like that. Nai mwanangu, zvaunotaura izvo wakazviwanepi? Moyo waunotaura uri munhu wechikadzi, zvinhu zvaunoshamba nemuromo uchitaura izvo mwanangu, uri munhu wechikadzi, munhu wechidiki for that matter, wakazviwanepi? Hautyi Mwari here? Hautyiwo Mwari kuti mangwana zvinoitika uzivi kuti chii? Unowanepi simba rekutuka kuti mwana wako is a case because mwana kurarama nealbinism? Ndingandikupe nguva udairi. Zvakaoma hazvo guys. Yo, vane vositaura the biggest influencer. Vane vakomana vanotambira kutwitter uko. Baba vemwana vanotambira kutwitter uko. Vanozviti in the instigator. Vanotambira kutwitter uko. Ati haasitori popular zvekudaro. Vavanhu vekutwitter uko. Ndichakutadzai picture yemwana wacho ari kutuka moni. I will show you. She's okay. Nyabena, thank you, thank you, Nyabena. Thank you very much, my love. Thank you, Nyabena. She's sending an audio. Kutekera yeyu munatara zvakadai so data type yake inde kuti ukabudisira mari data racho lero hadouyi kana palife, but I think it's best timutengere data auye palife so that kana achiwisisa akumbire regerero. This is not right guys. Chero mwana asina disability maumba kana watukana neni ko vana vangu vanopinda papi? Mwana wangu anokwana papi? Mwana wangu anokwana papi? Kana uchitukana neni bvarira inini sereki ndiudze uroyi hwese, ndiudze uhure hwese. Tukaneni ko mwana wangu anokwana papi? Mhuri yangu inopinda papi? Vabereki vangu vanokwana papi? Vanokwana papi? Whether disability or not, mwana guys anozive. Hanzi isapija ewa ipeji watangoshare uko chete life yacho. Tangoshare uko. Arikuisa audio amene getting. kuisa audio rikaitidze audio yake. Guys, chiro pakutukana vana nevabereki, it's off limit, guys. Yes, Jackie. It's off limit, guys. Honestly. Tuka inini. Taura zvaunoda pamusoro pangu because ini ndinowakonana naye, ndinowauri kuvenga. Kwambiri kwangu unovazivirepi? Mwana wangu apinda papi? Hanzi paita star party, guys. Ndisadzirewo star party. Ndisadzose. Ada kuripotegwa for cyberbullying. Ada kuripotegwa pa cyberbullying. Honestly speaking. Ada kuripotegwa for cyberbullying. This is not right. Thank you, Tula. Thank you, Tula. Thank you, my love. Thank you, Tula. Guys, this is zero star party. This is zero star party, guys. This is zero star party. Shakawa mash. That anga kutochema na tu watiti kai. Tu watiti. Hati akudzaka tuka ere instigator wacho. Akudzaka tuka. Hanzi zicheka ndiko ku live one, ndiko ku inbox one. Ndiko ku WhatsApp one. Wanyora kupi? Ndiko ku WhatsApp. Ndikutozati kuchuya kuruka ya Jaros chiri. Hakuna chiri ku WhatsApp. Takatomirira recording iri kuoya ndikuona iri kungore kudwa. Ndifunga yakaremba kuremba chaiko. Thank you, Tula. Thank you, Tula. What are you for? Thank you, Maggie. Maggie, some stars. Thank you, Maggie. Thank you, Megs. But you wanna can't tukane, but Jakafa joyful. How many times have you seen a mona stuka skadaviri, but took it on a mayo? Vasingadai. How many times? What do you have to say on that one? Kutumna go buy a life, what out to Kiravana, Nibabere Kivako, you are now daida, how you don't even answer. Oita party, what to Nivana. What do you have to say about that? What do you have to say? It's not the case of Tukana every time. Because we don't want to tukwa skadaire. Anamona, kuna want to tukwa vasikadaire. Shokwa marichia kuchaiko. For one, dini. Thank you, Clara. Don't tukwa and daire. But tukwa wana wangu. But tukwa mulia. But I've never answered. Jituka. But the general kuta tina wele shokutuka. Shokutawura. Shaka one disa shokutoti. But wano na kigwa. But because you know just not ndo ko ava pizza papi. Ndova kwanisa papi. Ko mwana ndikukwanisa papi. Ko abereki ndikukwanisa papi. Saka pakapakese kafa na yeye unodini. Arikutai record. Record. Thank you, Constance. Kutaura chokwadi guys, atidi kutsura tishireva nemakana tichi. Ngatingotaura inyaya sezvairi. Kuti vanhu tukwa vakawanda vamwe vasitombori kuma page. Vanongotukwawo zvavo. Vasitombotambiri kuma page edai. Asi unongona vachingotukwawo. Asi havana kuti vanotaurawo. Saka wodi. Apa kutukwa kwangu inini kwangu ndokuhisisa ndapasa nazvo because ndanojaira. Kwangu ndituke inini. Pati vana ko babereki vanokwana papi. If you love your parents, guys, you will not allow your parents. Haukusekerera mberi kwako chitukwa. Haumbosekereri. Kana uchida mberi kwako haumbosekereri mea kwa chudza zvo zvemburugwa. Ndoto hata wari chokwadi. Ndikatimirire audio, guys, tikumirira recording iri kuplay, iri kurekodwa. Fanasi ndofunga kuti kutoitirwa 10 minutes recording. Thank you, Sisi Dog. Thank you, Sisi Dog. Iri kungoti recording audio, ari kungorekodha. Gaitins. Chero yakatangira ipi nyaya, chero vakagwirani, kana vakadini, chero vakadini. But mwana is off limit, guys. Hey, Victoria! Thank you, Victoria. Guys, do you want to know, guys? Thank you very much, Victoria. Victoria. Thank you, Victoria. Thank you, my love, guys. 2,000 stars at once. Thank you, Victoria. Thank you very much. Guys, 3,000. 3,000. I always start recording. You start recording audio. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you, my love. Thank you, Premium Award. Thank you, my love. Thank you very much. Thank you. Nasi ziri kurekodingwa maaudio ekaswagaya. Kwaita kanda masters nasita tukwaska. Matukwe. Thank you, Victoria. Thank you, Queen. As I'm working, love you, just busy. Okay, my Queen, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the stars. God bless you. Thank you. I'm going to go to the go. I'm going to go to the go. The guy is going to be Tiwe, but she's recording. Recording audio. Would you want to check green? Would you want to get green? I'm going to go. Stop a minute out here. She waited. Gandim to say that here. Did we say that here? Did we say that here? And I want to because it's got to pay the name. So far, I'm going to go to 2038, 42, 1246. That means I need more than 15 minutes actually good. Eh, but how are you? I don't know that we are here, so we are finally. Yeah, we are.
SIS MELLY diaries. You know what I mean? Yeah, in and this one, no fight, and this one, Taranevan. Get the point, yeah, my sister, my mother. But no one issue names kana ush. Actually, this person has one poster is the baby daddy of the Muskano and Osiva. You know what happened? What happened is I met this girl last year in South Africa. I'm in Swaziland here, but in South Africa. So she made a business. I mean, I don't know vanenge vanga vanesana ne-friend yakhe. So that girl ndomuziya. So she was actually thinking kuti chinyi kuti inini ndiri friend ya this girl. Get the point? Ndobva ndikumbira namba dzangu musikana ndobva ndamupa ndobva taura kuexplaina azonditi this girl they were saying this and this and this. That's when we exchange numbers. So okay, so she was not my friend and she wanted to come close in addition to my friends. I actually negotiate her life yangu. So she wanted to get close to know me or kuti ndive friend yake, but in addition to my friends. Saka ndakangomukipa kure. So there's last year panakaita birthday day. It was not December. That birthday day, it was a birthday day party. Okay. So I posted zvaitika, so ndakabva ndaposta my boyfriend yangu andadana birthday.
I think it's really better kuti tiwe nemuromo wakati pana kuti player audio ati ndimisire data. Sando tunoisa sei unoshandisa ichi net 1 here econet chi chaunoshandisa cheri chi sadatari ya mfana mbira nditengenda piwa nikiri mai ndosa pa namba dzipi. I think because we already 12 minutes 48 guys. Right, Cherry ndokusendera number dzacho dzedata. Ndokusendera number dzedata. Ndasenda Cherry, cheka ku WhatsApp kwako. Because tikatosera pano zvitakateerera. Right. Tikanoteerera tichinzwena.
Get the point. So abandibvunza Nelly, do you know this guy? Ndikamuti yes. Ndibandibvunza kuti ndiyani? Ndikati is my boyfriend. Okay. Ndobva ndisendera machats. Yeah, ndakasangana ne this guy. Wait. Okay. So akazondidi. So I didn't pay attention. Maybe she was thinking kuti ninchazonetsana nechi boyfriend yangu whatsoever zvaifungisa kuti ninchaita, but I didn't react. Understand SIS MELLY? So ndakabva ndangosiyana nazvo. So she started amene kuti akafila chii this girl. So every time always when I post my page, she insults me. SIS MELLY, my audios isn't now. If she starts insulting you, we get quick as that. Yeah, uno, yeah, uno, so that. Yeah, actually, pesa apa nesampindura musikana anabva nampindura back then ndangomblutiga
No, that's what I'm trying for her to get the that's what you can speak in English.
akanditanga kundisautira boyfriend iyoyo here because I don't know kuti ne boyfriend yacho he was my boyfriend zvakaitirana I don't know zvakaitirana. You get the point? So I need to go life yangu and my boyfriend used to give me cars, didn't drive, and my boyfriend used to take care of me. So I think those was like so she started my drama. It's been 4 months, 3 months. I finished my drama. I poster, I did. So inini ndasingampinduri saka ndakagumira to a point yekuti akanditanga kunditextira achindi insult then block, but she was not resting. You get the point? Onditanga nedzimwe nhamba otanga unonhuwa une AIDS you are killing people une SCI chichichichi ndasapindura. I think izvezvizvika phone mangu mune almost 90 contacts block. So yesterday she started me again. Who's gonna be the mama with the owner of the kid? Never had time kind of text and man block. So manje ndabana to a point sorry nefu. To a point yakuti ndazoman block kune the main ndikavana muti hi. Ndikati iwe. And because in that locate, I used to stay in South Africa and iwe, what is that you want from me? Good day. Because most of the time you insult me with the different numbers, you took out in the AIDS. You don't know me, I don't know you. So what is it? Good day. She started again. Yeah, you smell. Yeah, what? Yeah, what? So I was actually angry, and for that I'm really sorry, SIS MELLY.
I was not,
but so even I will feel out maybe in the guy, this and this guy, she will feel what I felt. Because it's not easy to go to the AIDS on the STI name, which is not my friend. Tango Sangana, akakumbira namba zangu. Iye ndiye akakumbira namba zangu musikana uyu. Machita na madrama, a lot of dramas avaitirana ikoko. You get the point? So ini ndo pandakamuentertaina. I think pandakatanga kungoita wrong pakasangana neni pakakula ndichita zvinhu zvangu akandikumbira namba ndikamupa. Ndo pakatanga madrama zake. So ipapo I'm really sorry, but zvanoti inini hazi status yangu kuti ndine AIDS here kana kuti handina, ndomamapirizi here kana ndani mamapirizi zvese tinazvo mufoni mangu. Kubva kudhara maodho andinaye kundiinsulta mukadzi uyu anotosvika 50 because kana akatanga kukuisa maaudio ka 9-10 minutes without resting. I think the father ndamuudza. I told the guy, that's the reason why. And you know, the guy pandi textira ka. I cannot textira because I was actually angry. And I never report here. But as I'm seeing the STI no wara, then go see another. So today, that's when I decided, and I felt bad after saying that. I felt bad. I don't want to lie to you. I don't feel bad. Why? So this guy pandi textira pachoka. Atangani kutondituka all these things ndozokuudza ndikazodai because they approach in a nice way. Truly speaking, and this one drama, I was going to say sorry, but I've been facing this shit for a very long time. I think it's now 4 months. She doesn't a boyfriend but I don't get it. I got a boyfriend. What is this?
WhatsApp, Cherry.
So on that one, I'm sorry, but kwa inini kunzanzi ne-AIDS ndindopa STI ndorayavana. I think it's a good thing. It's not a good thing. But this girl, she's dramatic. The worst, but one thing is what this girl, she's dramatic. In the Tungu Tudenda panazo mtatia ndaku unblock because ndoda kuza kuti iwe una problem chiji bukunetsa problem yako iri papi ndofa she started again panazo muta zvandazomudza izvozvo akarwadziwa ndoko watangawo zvekutora mapictures angu TikTok vachiposta but vakabvira kudhara vashiva vaineni ina ndisina nopindura most of the time ndoblutika andi anzi nhasi ndopandamupindura and zvanamupindura izvo zvamurwadza ko inini vanofamba achitanzi hey you know what you smell hey chino nechino hey une AIDS hey une STI paka handizivi musikana. But I think yeah, boyfriend you like boyfriend anenge akarara naye akasamupa mari or something like that. I don't know kuti chichakaitika, but I didn't pay attention to that nyaya.
Sure. Yeah, Neluno Yorashoshe no kwata anyway. That's the reason why I unblocked you is girl, you go get yourself a life. Stop asking people's main numbers for you to create drama. Go get married. I wonder who's going to marry you with your Novaisama dash. That's why God gave you an albino child. And because you are having that albino child, no one is going to settle with you. So actually, I blocked you. I unblocked you. I wanna tell you that, girl, you don't have life. At least try to be human being at once, because you actually behave like a hungry rat. Go look for a job and stop using your cuckoo for food, okay? That's not life. Everyone in Silverton know the hungry rat called Lizzie. I wonder who is fucking you. That person is not scared of his life because all the HIV and STIs on you. You are actually killing people with sickness. Iye dia tarashe AIDS one. Iye dia kutarashe AIDS. Iye dia kutarashe AIDS. This screenshot track. Anyway, I delete everything. But it's not right. Please call me on WhatsApp. Because in Moshe, I don't jerry can have someone on to know Jerry Chabuche. My uncle, they touch your wire. I mean, I'm going to change to go up. How is she? Okay, let me buy that. Okay, the guy to me that thing get a garage. The guy to me that thing get a garage to I will tell them my chance is a car. No to kuna uy my chance are Dipaka. I would teach me a caripo uyu Muroro South Africa, but in my audio. Some audio quantum material was I would add my screenshots. And the padonati tarachoka dika ini vana vatyi hesi gogwamaka ini yangu guys kutuka munhu zvimwe mashoko angu ndinotya ini ndinotya kubudisa mashoko pamunhu nokuti uchiri kurarama chete guys zvinokudzokera chete uchiri kungorarama zvinokudzokera mwana uyu mwana mudiki musikana anotuka zvokuti ndisokaone mwana ukapiwa kesi yekuti albino apa mwana mudiki atifuta ndombori nemwana hasati azvara asi uri kudza munhu kuti wakapiwa kesi yemwana uri wozonozvara 4 vakadaro uri unozvara 4 vakadaro vachauya vachiteedzana vakadaro uchadi education inobodiwa guys yekuti vanhu vadzidziswe nezvinhu zvavanotaura izvi. You can't tell someone kuti une case, it's a case wakazvara mwana mu albino. You can't tell someone that guys. Hana kuitwa kurova even uchibudisa mashoko akadaro. Hana kuitwa wangokutsiura kustopa chaiko. Sure. Nox Nyambuya, you are very toxic, my sister. You are very toxic. Don't say that. Tinotukana one, ukambona tichibudisa mashoko ewayo. How many times tichipindura dzimwe tichipindura mwana tinotadza here kupindura mashoko aya. But no chichida kutuka izvozvo kuti agwadziwe but unozvistop. Unotozviona wega kuti no I can't. Musuno you guys musuno ukakusikana nasingati kuina dorini. Musuno nasingati kuina dorini. Makambona ndakapindura guys ndaibata papi. Imbondo tatitaura chokwadi ndakapindura guys. Ndaichaiwa zvokutaura. ndoda kuvhunza iwo ndaitadza here kunobata pacho pane moyo wake ipapo ndonofamba neipapo but handodayire zvokutaura zvakawandisa but unongosvika pakuti you know what I will not, because the moment I open my mouth kuda kudairana naye ndakutobata papa ndiri kuti this is not right handibata apa chiro zvodini handibati mwana uyu but zvokuti zotanzi pakuti kanokanda you can avoid tototuka chaizvo togwadza, but we don't answer like that, never. Hello, kufanana South African number aiti manje hakuna zvakadaro kana uchifunga wataura handika unofunga kuzorega kuzvitsokorodza hatoona, but kana uchi every time unotuka chukodzosa saka guys don't do that. Mwari vanoteerera vanonzwa musadaro kana waita mistake ngaite mistake ka1 kwete kuti every time unongochiko saka inenge haisisiri hapasina wakutojaira kuti ndotongotuka gatenge kukuzira zvinhu zvakaipa guys. Tiri vanhu vakuru guys, tiri vanhu vakuru. You are a sister. I don't know what to say honestly. Hello. Yes. Yapinda pa South African number.
Hello,
Yapinda pa South African number.
Mati?
That's Yapinda Zim pa South African number. Okay, anyway, it's fine. What's going on in Mska now, Unai?
Okay, musikana uyu ndakasangana naye last year ndisingamuzivi. Aitamba nemwe friend yangu, I think aizitatenda. So amene tanga varwere vaitrana madrama avo vakaitrana. I don't know yanga iri nyaya. So musikana uyu musikana uyu akabva asangana neni pamakula. Ndobva andimhoresa ndobva andimisa. Ndobva andiexplainera nyaya yake. Ndobva akumbira nhamba dzangu. Ndobva ndamupa. Saka manje ndobva ndamupa. So ndo pakatanga kundiudza zvinyanya zvavo zvanga vaitrana nanatatenda vachera nene koko kumafriends avo. But I didn't pay attention. I didn't pay attention to it. Saka ndangokipa nhamba dzemusikana uyu. But we are not friends. But she wanted kuti inini ndite friend yake. Titove close, but inini semunhu handiti zvemafriends ndongozviitira life yangu ndichienda. So zvakaitika zvekuti ndakazoita birthday party last year. Ndaita birthday party, I posted. So pandakaposta I was dating this another guy when I date. Saka akabva andibvunza musikana uyu kuti ko munhu unomuziva here? Ndikamuti ndomuziva. Zvikanzi ndiani? Panati this is my boyfriend. Ndopakatanga this guy did me date amene zvavakaitrana pavakasangana ikokoko kana zvavakaitrana I don't know kuti anenge akararwa musikana wayo akazapiwa mari here or something like that. So but inini handinaupa attention musikana uyu. I couldn't pay attention to it. Saka manje akabva atanga kungostopa kutaura. Saka akabva atanga kuti ndikaposta zvinhu zvangu nesindaposta status post nani namba yake. She started insulting me a lot about I don't know how to dress, all this. So zvinotanga nhasi actually zvakatanga kudhara. I think zvatone 4 months. But most of my time ndaisapay attention, blue tick. So ndakazosvika to a point yekuti vanhu vapesa vandiudza kuti no musikana uyu I think iwo mublock. Ndaimublock, ndikamublock anditanga nedzimwe nhamba. Otanga une AIDS, une STI.
Unawo here machats acho?
But I think it's now because I don't delete
because ako machats ndinawo ndapiwa. Unozati Nelika, you don't see the seriousness of this case. Ndatozvionawo. You are not seeing the seriousness of this case. Tatozvitaura kuti hausi kuona kuti zvichakupinza panguva yakamasei nyaya iyoyi. Do the right thing. Wakakanganisa akauya apologize humbly, humble yourself, because nyaya yatopinda kwausiri kuziva iwe kwayaenda. Waa fugitive now, waapa wanted. Cyberbullying yawakaita because ani machats ese inandipa ende machats aenda somewhere.
Yeah, I think ndichatarisa because I delete zvinhu mufoni mangu. I think my audios are more than 60 because I can't kusira my audio. Chero kamblue stay. He doesn't rest. I know about you send rama audio.
Because the aids you always what was tower of TV chapter pesire. Do you want to aids? The reason why I blocked you, girl, is go get yourself life and stop asking people's men's numbers for you to create drama. Go get married. Wonder who is going to marry you with your. That's why God gave you an albino child, and because you are having that albino child, no one is going to settle down with you. Blah blah blah. Everyone to know who the hungry rate is. Called Lisi. I wonder who is fucking you. That person is not scared of his life because of all the HIV and the STI on you. You are actually killing people with your sickness. It's you who said it.
Yeah, actually in that door, because but my child I think it's now never audios. Now, ndikapedza zvandiri maybe later ndisisiri kuita zvandiri kuita ndatsvaka machats ndovanida kusenderai because machats aripo already. So yesterday she started me again ndikamublock. So today ndopanda ndazomuunblock ndopanda mubvunza ndikati iwe tell me, do you have any problem with me? Ndinamutanga. So what's your problem? Chimbondiuzawo problem yako iri papi iwewe? Because now I'm no longer in South Africa and I'm in
because
my
you actually deleted most of the audios. Don't go chisa but angato save ato transfer name phone. You deleted my audio. Ako esa ongo chimse ndo chimtuka antika iyangato ba transfer to mesa name phone.
Ini nzawo my audios ake. My audios ake ni matext ake zvezinti nazvo. But now ndiri busy. I think kana ndave kumba nda settler I'll send you my audios ake since day one. Kusvika today I'll send you.
Asi name madam. Une vana?
Yeah, I do, and I felt bad. After saying I'll do that, judging the one, but I felt bad because I was not supposed to involve her. But in that, Russia and Bo and Stems kind of angandinyanyira because most of my and Mpindure. And Mpindure is kind of. I think for almost 90.
But after even I feel a bit after that. Madam, do you know your future tomorrow?
Oh, I don't know. Papa, I'm really sorry.
I series. Yeva 4. Vanenge vachirera mane albinism. Unozviziva? Because in other words, you are cursing. Kana uchiti mwana is a curse. You are actually cursing God. Iwewe bachira urutuka Mwari because hakuna munhu anoda kuti akazvara mimba munhu akasanga chinzi makorokoto handi unozongoona zvabuda wapiwa ndozvawapiwa naMwari izvozvo. Umwe atopiwa mwana akagonyana asi munhu anoita straight opiwa.
How are you?
I'm good. Oh yeah, you've joined. Okay, all right. Right, I am with Nelly here. Right, though Nelly is giving me an impression that let's try to accommodate her. Let's speak English. Let's break that English. Nelly tried to portray, she's portraying that you guys were insulting each other from the onset, from the word go.
Okay, SIS MELLY, like I told you, yes, she's not lying. You understand? But my main problem is that why are we involving my child? Okay. That's why I told you, because the reason I asked for your number is because my child is included. But if ever my child was not included...
So you have been insulting each other, but now the challenge is you involved a child who is not on social media, who did not even speak to you.
Again, and SIS MELLY, on top of that, let me show you the proof. This lady, I was not talking to her. She's lying. I was listening to the live. You understand? She said that I texted her yesterday. Let me show you the proof. The problem she's deleting. I did not text this lady. It's been long I talked to her. She just texted me now in the morning. I was shocked. Like, this lady is still around. She just texted me out of the blue insulting me. She's lying. I have a proof. That's what I'm saying. Only Lita doesn't know the consequences of this issue. I can sue her for insulting my child.
Isai number yangu auye WhatsApp. Isai number yangu auye WhatsApp. Isai number yangu. Baby daddy varuda kupinda. Baby daddy varuda kuedwa papo. Isai number.
Who best sent me the messages today? I never spoke to her. I never. She sent me the messages. She even deleted today. It's been long I talked to this lady. Ever since she left, I've never talked to her. She just came and she's even insulting me even. I was like, what's your problem? You are back again.
Winston, we are. Winston, come to WhatsApp.
I have your audio.
Pay number 10.
Don't forget that I have all your audios in my phone. Don't forget that. Yes. I don't know how many numbers of you I have logged on my phone.
No. And
I have the audio.
Listen, you must remember that Sis Melly, this person, Nelita, actually we call here to solve this issue. Sis Melly, let me be honest, Nelita, she's the one who's texting me with different numbers. There's another number that she once texted me, insulted me. I was like, who's this? I still have the screenshot. Before, after that, I had to go around and ask who's the people who knows this number. They were like, this is Nelita's new number. You understand? And I blocked her. Even today, I never talked to her. It's only 2 months not talking to this lady. She just sent me the message that here she deleted them. I was like, you don't rest. It's you again. You're texting me again. I'm like, I won't block you. I won't beat you, but I will get you arrested for harassment because now you're harassing me. It's been long I talked to her. I've been listening to the live. You were lying to everything. I'm not the only victim. There's a lady again I would like to add here. She's also Zimbabwean. What did I do now? Let me out. Hello?
Hello, I can hear you. Yeah, I think she's the one who dropped.
She's Melly. Let me also be honest. There's some lot of things this lady she's doing. There's also a Zimbabwean lady. She threatened that she will post if she doesn't give her the money. Accusing of that lady. That lady, she even left South Africa. She went to Zimbabwe because of Nelita was harassing her. You understand? That lady, she took a phone in the Magula shop. Then she went to charge it so that the owner is the police, so that the owner can call and come and pick the phone. The owner came and called his phone. Then the lady picked it up. They went to come and fish it here at the flat where we are staying next to my flat. Then the guy was like, can I thank you for saving me? It was an iPhone. But Unelita, after she had she doesn't even know the lady, but the fact that she had the news, she went and asked for that lady's number and threatened that lady. I still have the chat and everything. If you don't send me 2,000 now, I'm gonna post you everywhere. She posted that lady on social media. She doesn't even know the lady. She insulted that lady so much everywhere so that she can trend, ruining her reputation over the story that she doesn't even know. All she does is about insulting people, even posting people, ruining people's reputation. I'm not the only one. I can even add this lady now. But we call each other a human being. Who does that?
Okay. I'm trying to tell you, a case has been opened for you. And she's saying, okay, they can open, I've got audios too. But if which she knew, can she counter? She can't counter. She can open those voice notes. I don't mind. My problem is the reason why I'm involving everyone because my child is Zimbabwean. It's my child. We've been insulting each other since get-go, but we have never involved the cheat. The reason why I'm calling you to solve issue, where does my child enter? No, I understand. That's why I'm
saying if she doesn't want to apologize, Mama, I'm going to go to the police station. I'll open a case for my child. And this is a serious accusation. You cannot call my child a case. And you cannot send me that same message and say that I'm infecting everyone. Doesn't even know law. She doesn't even know law. That's a serious case. In life, you just have to man up and say, I'm sorry, we move on. Not you want to talk because you know how to talk. Not just because you know how to talk. To avoid a lot of things, you just say, I'm sorry, let's just move it. We block each other. But the fact that she doesn't want to apologize, even when she can see that she's wrong.
No. She needs to apologize. She needs to apologize. She needs to apologize, and then we can move on.
Because why did she delete it? Now when she's still talking to you, she's still deleting the message. I can see I was on our conversation when you guys were on live. She's deleting.
Right.
She deleted the time you guys went on live. I went to our conversation because I was busy taking the screenshot. I see that the messages are being deleted. Why is she deleting?
Because we are fighting.
Why? No. Why are you deleting? You don't want people to see that you are the one who started me. You are the one who texted me first. Because if there was nothing to hide, you don't have to delete. I didn't delete anything.
Yeah.
Because I had nothing to hide. Why are you deleting?
Nelly, come back. Nelly, come back. Mutaurana, come back so that you can come and apologize. Apologize to each other.
If she doesn't want, I will just go to the police station and open, then they will report it to Zimbabwean police. Sis Melly, my baby is asking for your number. She was saying,
give him.
All right, thank you. Should I also give you? Okay, let me just give you your number first. Yeah. Cool.
Okay, give your baby daddy, because I'm trying to tell her and listen that she needs to come back and apologize. She's saying I don't want to be. She's saying like she doesn't want to be on social media. I'm telling you, but you're already on social media. So,
that is already because I was not going to let it go. You guys were my family. I will not just let it go. And the reason why I went in this group for Zimbabwe, I didn't want to go to a South African page or so ever. I came to this page because my child is a Zimbabwean. I don't want to involve Zimbabweans. So that tomorrow they won't say, okay, we are abusing you guys. I came here because Kupa is from Zim.
Yeah, but Nelika, and this is Queen Nelly Chukita Chikota, we are apologize. If she wants, then there's nothing that you can do but to accept it, to pursue the case. So even that was the answer to a question of TikTok, the people on Twitter. She's everywhere on Twitter. So to apologize, because I don't want to social media. You are horrible.
If she doesn't apologize, then I don't have a choice. The reason I came here is to solve it so that I don't be blamed tomorrow. I want you guys to give me the conclusion. What should I do? Since she doesn't want to apologize. Because we are family here.
Isn't it your husband said he opened the case for you?
Sorry?
Your husband said he opened the case for you, right?
Even my baby daddy did also open the case. She's coming from police station now.
Hansi, later block me, I'll talk to you behind.
Because Nelita, I sent the voice note. You see that voice note, Nelita, what he's saying to my baby daddy. He doesn't even know my baby daddy, but he's insulting my baby daddy with his voice.
Nelly is saying she'll come to your inbox.
She must also go to my baby daddy because my baby daddy is really, really angry about this thing.
That's why I wanted her to come so that she can apologize. Because the baby daddy I saw you in the comment section.
I would like her to apologize in public. I give it this thing has been already in public. I want it to be in public and I apologize in public.
Just better to say I'm sorry when I move on like Yago.
No, I want it to be here so that tomorrow, so that she repeats it again. I know where to run to. I want her to apologize it here. Because I want her to apologize here in public where everyone is listening. So that we let this thing go. I know that he apologized.
Now she's gone. She's gone. She's not here. Okay. Since she's not here, me, I'll just post here as well, guys. Me, I'll just post here so that you guys, people must learn to teach their mouth when they are talking. You don't insult babies. Me, I'm just going to post here and attach a screenshot.
And this is, you say now I'm not asking much. I'm just saying here she must apologize in public.
No, I don't think this one will apologize in public. This one, I don't think she will apologize in public.
She won't.
So we'll post it. Don't do what?
Yes, please.
Yes,
please.
I will just post it so that we make her famous since she wants that. Because I'm trying to tell you, come and apologize. Guys, I'm very sorry. my dear. Pana kuzvisukudzira mhepo dzokuda kunosora unenge usitamuna nemari yachona usisukudzira mhepo dzokusora uchiita ma-up and down uchiita kumaponisa uchifambira zvisina zvinhu zvanogona kuti sorry hei zvikakura.
Because she knows that whatever that she's saying is a lie. She knows that everything she's saying is a lie, because if you know that you are innocent, you're going to apologize, we let it go. But the fact that she knows that everything that she's saying is a lie.
Yes, zokutukana kwembudzi cheko. Auza kutukana kuti wakakesiwa ndosaka wakazvara mwana kesi. Mwana uyo ari mwana wake andorarama nealbinism. Saka zvamurwadza akauya kuzoripota kuplatform yaZimbabwe. Ndo zvandaitwa nomwe. Takubata munhu chamutuka takuenda pano. Handina kuti ndiri busy. Ndichazouya ndichasvitsa naiseri chazodii. Saka enda kutongomposta kuti vanhu vazive, because miromo yedu inoparira. Miromo yedu inoparira iyi. Vanhu vanenge vane zvinonetsa. Vanhu musatuke vana vevanhu guys. Musatuke vabereki vevanhu. Nokuti ukatuka bereki munhu unotukirwa wako. Umwana kupindira vako zvokuti unopesera wakuchema wapindigwa dhipu. Musakutuke vana vevanhu. I'm going to post here. Baby girl Makoti, don't worry. After my live, I'm just gonna post here and go to sleep. She's gonna be my content today. You will see her on the page. But please, we are very sorry. Take her and please look after that handsome boy. He's very handsome, Shem. Very handsome.
Thank you.
Very handsome. Look after him.
Thank you.
All right, sharp. Nine. The doctor poster. Very rude for nothing. What's I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry ufunge zvamashwana abudawo mashoko. I'm very sorry. When I come back life yako. After Papa say if she apologizes, I will do the same. Garrick apologize. I won't do this. Anyway. Right guys. Takupinda munyaya okay baba uchana ndova vato uya. Vato nse drama ningikiri. Mascripture tavatukwa nemwana. Okay, Mamistra's message. Hi, my name is Tao. I don't normally get involved in issues, but I have seen screenshots of you and Lizzy fighting, and much I don't care about that. But my son has been mentioned several times. Your comments about my child are unacceptable. My child deserves the same respect and dignity as everyone else. Stop mentioning my child and keep their name out of your mouth. If the harassment continues, I'll take the appropriate steps to hold you accountable. If you ask around, you will know it takes less than a day to know your location, whether you are in SA or anywhere in Zim. For the very last time, keep my son's name out of your mouth. Babangwa chikutara kuti mwana animona. Ndova iya buskana yapindira kuti fuck you. Baba ndova yapindira kuti okay, see you soon. Ndova yapindira kuti rest okay, you and the fucking Lizzy. You are very rude, Shemneli. You are very rude. Hauna kutukwa hapa, but ukutuka munhu. Udova babasha pinda and tell her next time that if she doesn't want, okay, dear pinda nelu. And tell your girlfriend next time she doesn't want, that she should stop going around looking for my man's tag. Okay? Ask what she did to me. But if you want my location, I'll send to you as soon as possible. Anda zvototamba vatombosima cases yana believe takamira sei. Right. So, katimbomira tichafamba nayo iyi. Andika tichafamba moto wacho ndosina basa manje poshe takavaona vanhu vaidai vakazodona pasi. Takavaona vanhu vanodai so izvi. Kana wave kuya kuseri kunenge usikazana newakuti boy. Andika unenge wakuti boy. Unoona? Unenge wakuti boy. Unenge wakuboira. Uchampioni uhu. Ho. Okay. Right. So guys, zvandakuita panapa kamusiene ustabhoni wake. Ndida kuona kuti ndichamposta apa. Naizvako Lily vanenge vakuti boy kuseri kwako yaku makukanga kuti makanga muchimbonerwa panze apa muchiita sei. Azviitwisa izvozvo guys. Azviitwisa izvozvo. There's nothing wrong. I always tell you kuti the word sorry azvino kuti uri gwara kana kuti a coward. You are not a coward. Hausi gwara. But you are trying to maintain your peace. Chete. You are trying to be the bigger person. Chete. Hanzi chito toda kusatuisa zvaya dzedu. ndachindopinda pane mwenye askari chifonai ndikutora vanhu 5 chete fonai I'm only taking 5 people chete isai muono weituone tinoda kupinda pane mwenye nyaya inotopisa senyaya iri kutonetsa panapa chero uramba uri papapa senyaya iri kutopisa guys saka ndoda kudonedza ndingadzibatanidzi ndoda kutoidonedza then ndopinda neimwe saka ndoda kufona chibva ivatongofona nokuti ichauya ichatitorera futi timing. Just saying sorry, it's a good thing makugomboza ukanditsika ndikati I'm sorry kana kurwadziwa kwokuti ndakutsika unonyatsondoona noti shuwa kutara chokwadika ndakumbigwa regerero kwete kuti ndakutsika saka wauda udini ita zvaunoda. Come on guys, sorry hazvinotori stupid kana uri gwara guys, it's just showing that you are the bigger person. Hanimaona just to try to not to be toxic chete. Hanimaona fona ine kurumidza guys tinde mberi fona ine kurumidza tinde mberi kune vabereki kune group revanhu vakamira kuseri uko fona itione. I'll do that. Iwe uchi boy kuseri kuya. Paripo ina ndoda kufona. All right. Hello. Yes, caller.
Maswera says me.
Musho kuri sei?
Timusho aiwa kana idwe. Mari chitamba muchitukana henyu ko mwanadi.
Mwana
napindinetsa ndozvatombogara taura sisimeli vanhu vanofunga kuti zvinonakidza kutukana zvosangisa vana vanopindepi pamasocial media. Imi ndimi makasaina chipepa chogara pafacebook vana vanopindepi. And mwana uri kutuka so handsome innocent hatozvizivi zvefacebook kuti munotukana vanhu hazvizive. And musikana ari very rude. Muri kunzwa pama muchiverenga zvasitorwa nababa wachona she is very rude.
Very rude.
Uyu ndasungwa kusimeli. Achisunga vamwe vakaenda nokutuka vanhu variko. Ndanojoina.
Hasi kuziva aritofunga mafanisi.
Hasi mafanisi simeli we. Muromo yedu indaizepa kugumira especially pavana sisimeli. Indogara nchigumbuka nevanhu vanotuka vana. Vana havadi kupinzwa munyaya idzodzi dzedidzi. Pinzira imi vakuru koko mwanani haatoizivi kuti social media inofamba sei. And that boy is hatona zvaanoziva eni muzandabatikana seringati unomboziva here kuti unozvitorera shamhu kuzvikandira mumba menyu. Unozvitorera shamhu ukapuwa mwana akaremara unomurasa iwe nokuti mwoyo wake uyu haagoni kusvika.
Haangagamuchiri hautombopiwi mwanani aubhidhizi no anopuwa mwana akatowedzi ari wesi
unopuwa mwana asingakwanisiki kugamuchirika unozvibvunza katatu saka usambofa wakatuka munhu ane mwana akaremara kana mwana ane kurarama kwake. And this mother is looking that boy careful. Mwana wabhina runotochengetedzwa chaizvo.
Zvakanakisa and she is very smart.
Very smart. Ndo unokandira mashoko kuti ndosaka wakazodai uyu meneliuta uyu ndabatika simeri ndasungiswa. Ndo tusenzi dzangu
ndakutsandokuira pamablog ndekunana MJ vaposte kwese akaure
ndaposte sisimeli ndaposte kudzwa kuti uyu haana muromo ari too much pride anofamba chituka vamwe vana vavamwe vanhu zvakasata.
Right, thank you very much my sister. So guys ndakudona ndobva ndadzoka ndi musaenda ndiri kudona ndobva ndadzoka tiri kundinya